I'm hosting. So please subscribe the channel for more videos and follow my steps for creating a free website. So go on Google Chrome. Now search for Wix site. Now click on wix.com, first option. I have already made the account. You can also create your account by simply sign in option, and you will see the window appears like this after you create your account. Now create a new site. So it's a type of question, you can easily answer that of which kind you want a website. So I want a website for blog. There are two options in which you get a website created by the Wix artificial intelligence automatically by answering a few questions, and the option second is the option in which you need to create a website by templates or your designs. So I would suggest you to use first option, but because it's so easy, by answering some questions we get a site for free. So start now. After going on start now, just what type of site do you want to create? I want to create a site of technology tutorials, so I have typed in next. What do you need on your new website? You can add your options by lenses, music, Instagram feed and anything else, but I am just doing a tutorial, so I am doing next. What should you name your website? It's a good question. The name should be interesting, that someone understand why do you need this site. So I name my site and click on next. You can give the link of your YouTube channel existing website. It means that website that exists before, and the location of your business site and etc. Next. Now we have got the name, we have got a mail. Now you can type your address. Your phone number, your fax, you can link also social account like Instagram and another. You can add your logo. I am not having any logo, but I have a text document, I can create it as a logo. I have choose my logo. Now click on next. Which theme, you can choose a theme which you like. I like the sky high theme, and continue. Use colors from your logo to create a platelet for your site. You can create a platelet. I would like to use these colors because it's some magic from my logo. Now you will see the option appear, pick your favorite home page. So I would like to choose the home page. I hope this look good, better. So I will use this design. Loading your features. Now, if you want to change the text after this or add your home page, I am going to tell you this also. Okay, so click on it. You will see title, discover tag game. I want to change it like only tag game. Subtitle means this all the latest. I want this only. You can put it in the bold letters also, italic also. It will change automatically. Now description. You can add anything in your description, and you can change everything like this, even the image also, and the buttons. You can add links ready to move, you can add links. Okay, after creating this you can publish, so it will update your site. You can similarly do here also, just drag your thing which you want to and change the text. Okay, like author name and picture, I want to print it, so it just gone. You can see a change. Author name means this. Okay, these are the basic things you should know for your site. After this, your site is saved. Okay, now I would like to do publish. This is going to be my domain name, which is giving me a free domain and hosting. So publish and continue. Now you will see your site is published and live online. For checking this, you can just type this or you can click on this view site. In another videos of YouTube, you will see that we have made a free website, but it's not live first. But I will show you the proof that it's free hosting. So I would type this shivashishrock.website.com/website. Okay, so I'll type shivashishrock.wixsite, and what was my wixsite.com/website. After searching this, you will go to your page. It's a free hosting.